What did the stamp say to the letter? Stick with me and you'll go places. You're welcome.
All right, let's start nailing these.
That's on the line.
Pretty good there, eh?
Yeah.
What do you need to?
For more support,
This
I
is
guess.
the outside one, the wall will be on it.
It's flush there.
You say what else? You asked.
Yeah.
So yeah, what else?
So I'm trying.
If you wanna, you don't have to.
I just do one side.
No, you do both. I just did that because I couldn't get the gun in. You just put one. Yeah, you got her. Put it on the right side line and that's it. I'll get them all matched up for you.
Can I toenail this one?
I gotta cut it.
Oh.
Let's get the 30 marked here. Getting sunny here.
Yeah. Just warming up in the sun for a minute. I'm so
Standing in a
cold.
sun patch over here.
There's a tiny sun patch.
I said you're standing in a sun patch.
Yeah. I'm right cold.
It is starting to get a sun patch here now though.
Boy.
So we're gonna cut these ones now back so that when we put the rim joists on both sides, it's 20 feet. Exactly, so that way everything works out good. Get a fire going with these ends to warm up.
Yeah. I'll just bring them and you mark them. Or cut them, I guess.
I was looking for that thing. I didn't realize you grabbed it.
Well, I know that you'll go into a deep hunger if you have to carry it around too much.
I'm actually not hungry. Believe it or not.
What?
I said, believe it or not, I'm actually not hungry.
Oh, wow. You've eaten so many freaking cough drops. You're not hungry.
Yeah. Right. That's probably true. We're a little bit that way with it, but I say we're a little bit that way with the build, but it's fine because this one with the joist head will be still So the skirt can be all good. You can nail it if you want, or you can just keep carrying those, whatever you want to do.
Yeah. Put a nail in here before you put that one there. Just might just get in the way nailing it.
No more
So-
tape it.
Your tape.
No, I used the 100-foot, that's why. Nailing.
That's something I can do. It's like one of the few jobs that I can do.
Do everything.
What?
They said you can do everything. You didn't bring your gloves?
No, I didn't bring my
I
gloves.
saw that it was going to be 7.
Thick coat. Yeah, she did. She did right. Where are you at this now?
I was just about to put these together.
Okay.
They're pretty good.
Oh, okay. When I was checking on the chickens, it felt pretty warm, and I'm like, oh, good, I don't need much. I was wrong. I was wrong.
I just wonder where the gun was.
I'll do it. I'm on it.
I'll slide this down here to give you a place to set it.
Yeah, right.
You
Eerie.
could drive a nail like this too.
Huh?
See how I toenail those?
Oh, toenail all of them?
You could just toenail it
One.
down through there too.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah. Then it just ties them together a little better. You can do the sides first if you want. Either, it doesn't matter. Whichever one's easier. Slow your job.
Hmm? Yeah.
Slow your job.
I ain't stealing yours.
What's this? What's this?
A board?
It's short.
Oh, that's good.
It's too short.
Well, it's one that was in the pile. How many feet is it?
9 foot. It's 1.5 inches too short for this even.
Oh, for what? The rim joist would be all right though?
We'll have to cut it.
Yeah.
No, because 3 rim joists would have done it. Just a piece used for
Random.
cribbing. Hopefully they threw a bonus piece in there.
Yeah, right.
How many did we order?
I don't know. I wrote it down. I'm not sure. What's this? I don't know. A piece of wood? They gypped us?
Either that or they added it. You can't send us that stuff in board feet.
No. So that's good.
That is good.
We got that done.
Yes, we did.
And the plywood's supposed to be coming tomorrow for the floors.
Yes.
So we do have to do the, what's the thing called? We're cutting 14.5 inches and putting in the middle
bridging.
there. Bridging. We got to do the bridging.
And we got to finish, we're a couple pieces shy to finish the rim joist.
Right.
So we'll do that. And we actually ended up with, this here's was too short. It's not even a 10-foot piece either, so I don't know what happened there.
Yeah, that was weird.
But whatever.
Yeah.
I think it was extra anyway.
I think it was a bonus piece. I'm pretty sure.
Bonus wood.
Yeah, I think it was bonus wood.
Yeah.
So I guess we can't really complain. If it's a bonus, we're going to have to check how many I ordered.
Yeah, right.
But I think it is.
So it's just the rim joist there. On this end, you saw that little piece we put on. We have that one left.
Yeah.
And then the bridging.
Yeah.
And then
The plywood.
the plywood, yeah. 3/4 inch.
What is it called we're using?
We're actually using something different this time.
Yeah.
It's
still 3/4 inch.
shoot.
It's like a waterproof.
We actually used 5/8 OSB last time. But this one's I can't remember the brand name of it.
Me either.
But it's a waterproof flooring.
And it comes with a warranty, so because it's going to be sitting. We ordered the trusses already, but they said they might not be here till Christmas or after. They're going to try to get them here before Christmas, but they can't guarantee anything. So we decided to go with the flooring that's warranted to not wreck in any weather. So
Right.
That way, if it does, we get our money back because wood's not cheap right now.
Yeah, we were gonna go with 3/4 inch plywood this time around. And that's 3/4. It'd probably be fine, but
Probably.
this stuff here, the seams won't bubble up or nothing. So
No, it's only a couple dollars more a sheet anyway.
yeah, so it's worth
So,
it.
Definitely.
Worth the insurance of it.
Yeah,
That it's gonna be all right. So that's a
Yeah.
good thing. But hey, it's looking like something.
it is. So that's fun.
What do you think, Sam?
You like,
Like
it?
it.
Yeah.
We got a lot done today, didn't we?
Yeah. we've been
Sam was
working
doing
hard.
a lot of marking.
Oh, she's been such a help.
Marking our crowns, marking using the square to mark the lines cut.
Yep, she's gonna be a little carpenter here in no time.
Yeah. She'll be taking over telling us what to do.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I'm pretty happy with what we got done.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. Let's roll out.
All right, see you in the next one.
See ya.